Hi guys, welcome to another video. I wanted to make a video about my new bag, which is a Fendi baguette in canvas. Like it's a color. It's white canvas. It does come in two colors, white canvas and beige. I got the white, and I did not get it from the Fendi website. I actually got it from Italist.com, which is an LA-based web retailer. And I highly recommend it. It is authenticated. It is a real Fendi piece that I'm holding here. So yeah, I just want to show you guys my new bag. It's funny because like I did not intend on buying this bag anytime soon. Like I knew I wanted a Fendi baguette and I don't know, sometime in the future, but I swear you guys, I was not planning on making this purchase. But when I saw the price on this bag, let me show you guys. Here she is in all her glory. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the tag. So it does come with the tag. I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys, but I got so desperate when I saw the box come in. I was like, I gotta open it. I gotta see it. I could not wait to get my hands on this bag because it's just so beautiful, and it's leather trim, and I just can't get over the fact that it's leather trim, whereas the popular baguette, the coffee colored one, I don't even know the name of it. It's the same style. It's just a different color and different fabric. I believe that one's just like regular cotton, whereas this one is like a more sturdier canvas, because I have noticed that it holds its shape. It doesn't lose its shape when I add my items in here. And another thing that I noticed is that this is not a very popular color. So this is the main reason why I was drawn to this bag, is because the color is just so beautiful, and I needed a neutral bag. I needed a bag that had brown in it, and it also had white, and it also comes with a detachable long strap here. I love the color of this strap. It doesn't really match too much with the rest of the bag, but something about the contrast I just absolutely love. And I am a huge fan of cocoa colored, like chocolate brown colored fabric. Anything that's like chocolate color or this type of brown, I'm obsessed with it. Believe me, when I saw this bag, it was the last one left, and I saw the price. It was priced at, I believe, $2,440 or less than $2,500 for sure. And this retails on the Fendi website for $3,100, so that was a saving of $600. This is what the bag looks like right here. Both straps are detachable, so if you want to use the longer strap, you can remove the shorter one. I like to keep both. I just really like the way they look together. So I just want to show you guys really quick the inside. I still have the stuffing in here, but I can fit quite a lot. This is probably the biggest handbag that I have. All the other handbags that I have, I cannot fit this much stuff inside. So let me just, I have things here to fill up my bag with. So I just want to show you guys really quick what I can fit inside my bag. This is the interior. It's all canvas, and it has a zipper pocket in here, which is really nice. Very structured, and I believe it's because of the leather trim. It helps keep its shape. And another thing that I noticed about the other Fendi baguettes that don't have the leather trim is that people were complaining that the stitching was coming loose, and that kind of scared me a bit, because I knew I wanted a baguette, but when I saw that, I was like, maybe I should not get like the cloth one that doesn't have any leather. So I'm so happy that I found this one, because the stitching, I'm not gonna have a problem with the edges coming loose, like the stitching coming loose or anything like that, or frayed, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just gonna start putting stuff inside. I have my little cosmetics pouch in here. I'm gonna put that in here. I'm gonna put it this way. I'm gonna put my leather inside. My wallet inside. So I'm gonna put it like this. You guys can see. My Chanel compact powder, which is a pretty big compact powder. I'm gonna put it this way. I'm also going to put my phone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. I didn't get the big one. I'm gonna put it, I'm like struggling now. I swear you guys, it all fits. I just have to kind of move things around a bit. So this is what it looks like. My car keys, I'm gonna put it in here. And lastly, my AirPods, which is, these are the, I think these are the Pro. I think that's what they're called. These are the wide ones, and I do have a pretty bulky case. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this, but I really like this puppy case, so I'm just gonna put this in here. And that's what it looks like. That is the inside of the bag. And everything fits perfectly. Everything fits very neatly in here. There you go. The only thing that it doesn't fit is my sunglasses case. That's about it. So if you do like to carry around your sunglasses case to protect your sunglasses, just be aware that it might not fit, or it will fit. You're just gonna have to make adjustments and not carry such a big bulky cosmetics bag or a big wallet like the one I have. Well, it's not even that big, but it's just pretty thick. But yeah, this is what it looks like with stuff filled in. And notice that it hasn't lost its shape with all the items in the purse. Notice that. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Look at that. The shape is still there, and that's one thing that I noticed about the other ones. Like, I keep saying that. I'm sorry. I keep like comparing this bag to the other bag. I'm just so happy with this bag because to be honest, I didn't want to buy an organizer for this bag. I felt like it was going to take up a lot of space, and this bag is pretty roomy, and I want to keep it as is. And yeah, I'm just so happy with it. I love the gold hardware. It's so me. Like, I love gold. I think I've talked about this in the past in my old videos where I talk about how much I love gold. So yeah, it has gold hardware, and yeah, I'm so happy with my purchase. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my video. Not much to it, just I found a good deal on this amazing Fendi baguette, and it fits a lot of stuff. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Check out Italist.com. They have really good prices on a lot of luxury items. I find myself going on their website like every night before I go to bed, and yeah, it's kind of, you're gonna get addicted, trust me. So that's the end of my video. I keep rambling off. Let me know what you guys think of this handbag. This one in particular, if you have seen this one trending, because I haven't. I have not seen this bag. I think very few Instagram posts with this bag. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!